Okay, we come in here. Got this one cooking. The pear cider started this morning. Been going for about it's 10 p.m. now. We're going about 12 hours. 7.5 gallon carboy or a fermenter. Here, just did this less than an hour ago. It's a nut brown ale. Here, did this from this is our first partial grain extract. Yeast hasn't even kicked in yet. Got our overflow down there. So that first 2 batches right there.